Hi guys, welcome back to Chinese Parrot. Today we will continue to learn the finals. The first is that u. You can hear similarly pronunciation in the middle of English word food. U. When we pronounce u, our lips are rounded, protruding into small holes. The back of the tongue was raised and the vocal cords trembled. U. Let's learn the four tones of u. U. You can use u with all initials to spell Chinese characters, except for the initials ji, qi, xi, yi. Now, let's learn two Chinese characters consisting of u. The first one is hu. It means lake. There are many beautiful lakes in China and welcome to visit. Hu. The second one is tu. It means picture. Repeat with me. Tu. Second is yu, which is a special pronunciation. Please pay attention. Yu. When we pronounce yu, our lips are round and close to each other. The tip of the tongue abuts the lower gums, the front of the tongue bulges, and the vocal cords tremble. Let's learn four tones of yu. Note that yu can only spell with consonant n, l, ji, qi, xi. Other consonants cannot spell with yu, and when writing with ji, qi, xi, you must remove the 2 points above yu, and the pronunciation is unchanged. Next, let's learn a Chinese characters composed of yu. Nü. This character is used to express female. Nü. Let's review what we have learned this class. U. Today's class homework is read and write with what you have learned today. So that is for this class. Thank you for listening. See you next time. 再见。